Sairam to all. How are you all? I hope you all are in good health, right? You all are studying at home. Yes? Am I right? Yes. So, my dear students, as you all know, how many chapters we have done after your examination? After your essay 1, we have done 2 chapters of grammar, right? One is adverbs and second is pronouns, right? Yes, I hope you all have gone through it. Yes. So today I am here with your English new voices. Okay. Yes. So today we are going to cover the chapter number 8. That is yes. First of all, you all have to bring your textbooks with you, and you have to sit with your textbooks. Okay, so go and bring your English new voices with you, right? Go fast, I'm waiting for you. Go and bring your English new voices, pencil and eraser. See, every time, whenever whichever class is going on, it is your duty that you should sit with your textbooks of that subject. Okay, because it will help you. Okay, if you are getting only 80%, you will get 95%. Maybe you get 90%. If you are getting 50% without having the textbook, you may get 70 and 60%. So yes, so it is better that for you to gain anything, you should have your textbooks with you, right? So yes, so today we are here with English new voices, that is chapter number 8. I hope you all have opened your textbooks with you. Chapter number 8. Please open the chapter number 8 of your textbooks and be ready. Yes, are you ready? Yes. Okay, good. Those who are ready and sitting with your textbooks, it's very good. Okay, I appreciate them. Yes, so we are going to start. That is chapter 8. What is the chapter 8? Yes, the chapter 8 is Birbals trip to paradise, right? This is the chapter number 8 we are going to take today. Of which subject? Yes, it is of English new voices. Not today is not grammar. Actually, we have already completed 2 chapters. So we are going to take one chapter from English new voices. Okay? Yes. So yes, here is one picture for you all. Yes. What is given in the picture? Yes, what is given in the picture? See itself, the title itself tell us Birbals trip to paradise, right? And what is the picture here? Yes, this is an activity for you all. What you all have to do? You have to find a way to the Birbal to reach to the palace. Okay? Yes, the story is related to the Birbal. Okay? Yes, so you have to find the easy way for Birbal to reach the paradise. Oh, sorry, that palace. Okay? Yes. So, yes. So, this is the activity which you all have to do. Yes. Yes. So now we have, who is this here, students? Who is this? Who is sitting and who is standing? Please can you tell me? Yes. Who is he? He is. He is. Who is he? Yes, guess. Yes, he is Birbal. Right. Who is standing? Birbal is standing. In front of whom? In front of whom Birbal is standing? Yes. Yes. Birbal is standing in front of the king. And who is the king here? Who is sitting here? Sitting here is the person who is Akbar. Right. Akbar is the king here and Birbal is standing in front of Akbar. Right. So what you all have to do? So can you have any guesses that what we are going to learn or discuss today? Yes, we are going to discuss the story related to Akbar and Birbal. Can you tell me who was Birbal? Who was Birbal? You all have read so many folk tales related to Birbal and Akbar. Okay. Yes. Who is Birbal? Birbal is very cleverest man, right? He is very clever, right? Yes, and he is very intelligent also. We have read so many moral stories related to Birbal. Okay? Yes. So, who was Birbal? Yes, Birbal was the advisor of Akbar in his court. Right? Yes. Birbal was the advisor of Akbar. Right? Yes. And Birbal was very clever, very intelligent, and he was chosen the most you can say advisor favorite advisor of Birbal. Okay? Yes. So, today we are going to start a story related to the witty, like you can say cleverness of Birbal. Birbal. Okay? Yes. So, the story here what we are going to read today is, let's see what are the learning objects we are getting after reading this story. It means what things we are getting it. Okay? Learning objectives of the stories are the quality of being wise and witty, right? The quality of being wise and witty. Wise means clever, and witty also means that clever, okay, intelligent. Second is overcoming challenges. It means if you have challenges, you have to overcome them. You don't have to feel fear, right? Yes. Third is finding solution to a problem. Okay? You have to find the solution of the problems. Listening and answering the question. If something is asked, you have to answer. You have to be ready. While reading this story, we have to writing a character sketch. We will come across how to write a character sketch. And we will come across so many difficult hard words, so we have to using our dictionary. We will come across how to use a dictionary, or we will be using dictionary, right? Yes. So these are the learning objectives which we are going to come across after reading this story. That is Birbal's Trip to Paradise. This is story's name. That is chapter number 8, Birbal's Trip to Paradise. Okay? Yes. So first of all, let me discuss the summary of the chapter with you. We have here, the play is about Akbar's favorite minister, Birbal, known for being wise and witty. Once a jealous barber in the emperor court decides to get rid of Birbal. He thinks of a cunning plan, and one day, while trimming the emperor's beard, tells him that he dreamed of his father, who told him that the residents of heaven are terribly bored and need someone to keep them amused. He wants someone who can amuse them with fine talk, right? Someone intelligent and witty. The emperor, who worshipped his father, at once decides to send Birbal to his father. Birbal thinks of a plan and buys some time from the emperor. He digs a grave with a secret tunnel that opens under the floor of his private room. He requests the emperor to bury him alive, and once he buried, he finds his way into the tunnel to take him to his own house. He hides in his room and for 6 months and goes back to the emperor's court with long hair and a shaggy beard. On being questioned, he tells the emperor that since not many barbers make it to paradise, his father has asked to send his own barber to trim his hair. Right? What he tell? Yes, on being questioned, he tells the emperor that since not many barbers make it to paradise, his father has asked him to send his own barber to trim his hair. The emperor understands the whole matter and asks for his barber to be sent to heaven. Thus, the barber soon falls into the same trap that he had set up for Birbal, right? So, what is the moral we have got? That whatever trap he has made for Birbal, he was trapped on the same thing. Okay? Yes, he was trapped on his own plan. Yes. So, and emperor, that is the Akbar, understood the what was being planned, right? So yes, this is going to be more interesting for all of us. So keep reading at your home, don't waste your time, keep reading, go through your books. Okay, so first of all we are going to discuss the new words for this chapter. So we have new words here. First one we have, you have to repeat after me. Okay, right? First word we have wittiest. 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 Okay. Wittiest. Second we have cleverest. Second we have cleverest. 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 Third we have popularity. Third we have popularity. 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 Fourth we have fortune. Fourth we have fortune. 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 Fifth one we have envious. Fifth one we have envious. 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 So, are you reading after me? You all have to read after me, okay? Now we have ninth one. Sixth one we have fortunate. 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 Seventh one we have plotted. Plo. Yes, you all have to repeat after me. Plotted. 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 Eighth one we have judged. Eighth one we have judged. 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 Ninth we have witty. 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 Tenth one we have contrived. 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 Okay. Contrived. Contrived. Next we have the word meaning here. Yes, first word we have envious. Envious means jealous. Popularity. Popularity. State of being liked or enjoyed by many peoples. It means who is famous, who is liked by so many peoples. Favor. Friendly support or liking towards one person more than the others. Okay. Friendly support or liking towards one person more than the others. Having attraction or having friend support toward one thing, one person. Fortune. Fortune. Prosperity or a large amount of money. Who is fortune means just having a large amount of money. Yes. Next we have fortunate. 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 Fortunate means lucky. Next we have witty. 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 Witty means full of clever humor. Whose humor is very clever. It means you can say simply who's very clever. Clever mind. Sharp mind. Next we have plotted. 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 Made secret plans. Trimming, Trimming. Trimming. Trimming means to cut the edges of unwanted parts. Fine talk, fancy talk or tall stories. Fine talk, fancy talk or tall stories. Prized, highly valued, entertain. Prized means highly valued. Entertain, to provide enjoyment. Entertain, 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 to provide enjoyment. Contrived, made something happen in a clever way. Contrived, 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 made something happen in a clever way. Judged, to form an opinion after careful thinking. Judged, to form an opinion after careful thinking. Okay, judging something, right? So next we have company, someone you spend time with or enjoy being with. Grave, a place where dead people are buried. Grave, a place where dead people are buried. Grave, grave. Grave means where the dead people are buried. Now we have to frame the sentences. First word we have envious. She was envious of his collection of games. You all have to find the meaning itself. For something is already taught and something you all have to find yourself. Envious, she was envious of his collection of games. Popularity, Mary's popularity is well known. Mary's popularity is well known. Favor, the prince would always favor his best friend. Second we have popularity. It means who is very famous or liked by so many peoples. Mary's popularity is well known. Third we have favor. 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 The prince would always favor his best friend. Fourth we have their fortune. 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 There was a big fortune hidden at the bottom of the well. Fortune. Fortune. There was a big fortune hidden at the bottom of the well. Fifth one we have fortunate. Fifth one we have fortunate. We are fortunate to have electricity in our house. Fifth one we have fortunate. 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 Fortunate means we are fortunate to have electricity in our house. Sixth one we have witty. Sixth one we have witty. Birbal was a witty minister. Witty means clever. Witty, witty, a cleverest, sharp mind. Seven we have plotted. 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 The thieves plotted to rob the house and run away. Plotted. The thieves plotted to rob the house and run away. So now open your textbooks. Sit with your textbooks. We are going to start the chapter now. New words and framed sentences and word meaning already taught to you. So now open your textbooks with, we have the 4 characters in the story. Okay, first one we have narrator, then Akbar, then Babur, and then Birbal, right? Yes. So we will start reading our story. So you all have to repeat after me. Okay? Yes. First we have narrator. A long time ago, Akbar the Great ruled India. He was the greatest of all the Mughal emperors. Akbar. This was narrator saying the above line and now Akbar is saying proudly, okay? I am the greatest of all the Mughals. I have many advisors, and countless servants. But my favorite one is, who is his favorite one? Right, Birbal. Birbal is the wittiest and cleverest man in the whole empire. This was the thinking of advisor. Now the narrator is saying, but Birbal had enemies who were envious of his popularity. Most envious of all was the emperor's barber. Most envious of the all was who? Barber, right. He was so much jealous of Birbal. The barber knew that favor of Akbar brought fortune. The barber knew that favor of Akbar brought fortune, right? Now next we have barber. Why can a barber not be a fortunate? Why can a barber not be the fortunate one? For a change, I am as clever and witty as Birbal. I have good ideas. I deserve a better position. Okay, barber is saying that I deserve a better position and I am more as clever as Birbal and I have good thoughts, good ideas. So now narrator. The barber's envy turned to hatred. He plotted for Birbal's downfall day and night. Very soon he worked out a cunning plan. They are making the plan for Birbal. One day, while trimming the emperor's beard, the barber found the courage to speak up and put his plan into action. Barber, you know, your majesty, last night I dreamed of your father. Emperor, my father? You said. Did he speak to you? Barber, yes, your excellency, he is very happy in paradise, but says that all the residents of heaven are terrible bores. He wants you to send someone to keep him amused with fine talk. Someone who is clever and witty needs to be sent. Okay? Yes. So today we are covering this much only and we will cover next in our next class. So what you all have to do, this is the character sketch which is already told to you that character sketch can be of any favorite personality, favorite person you like the most. So you have to, same way you all have to do a character sketch. You have to write here the name of the character, then nature of the character, reason for liking him or her, reason with the other characters, other things also you can write. So in your notebook you have to do this activity which is told today. Okay, you all have to do this activity. Okay, you have to write the character sketch of your own choice. But what is given here, you have to read the play Birbal's Trip to Paradise. There are three characters, Birbal, Akbar and the barber. Among these three, write about the character you like the most. You may take the help of given hints. Okay. First you have to write the character sketch of your own choice, and when the chapter will be over you have to write the character sketch from these three off. Okay. Yes. So I hope whatever is taught today you will go through it, you will learn at your home and you will take care of yourself. So whatever is taught in today's class you have to learn that. Okay. So Sai Ram and take care of yourself, your family members and all of